Well, media will now give you some options for calming sounds. So this is a rainy day. Living in England, we don't need a raining day effect. Lively forest. Calm ocean waves. So if you're driving along, you can feel like you're by the sea. And let's say you're one of those people that works best when you're in a coffee shop, like I do. You can now sit in your car and imagine you're in a coffee shop because there's a noise of the people in the coffee shop. I can't make out what they're saying. I don't know how they did that. Warm fireplace. That'd be great on a cold night with the heating on. And snowy village with the snow.